beginning to the very end. The lady, Roberta, she came out to the house and did the estimate, and she was lovely. She was very detailed. She explained everything. She was here for a while showing us all the different aspects of the windows. And anyway, long story short, we were very happy with her, and we decided to go ahead with Prestige, and we were thrilled. I mean, they were very good at communicating. I got a lot of messages, which I liked. They would tell me, okay, Liz, or we've requested the permit, or we've done this, we're waiting for the window to come in, or whatever it was. They were really great about keeping me current and updated. So it was wonderful. I mean, I would definitely recommend, and we had a great experience, and we love the windows. It was a fair price. The guys worked really, really hard that day. I wasn't here, but my husband was here. But he told me they worked all solid all day, and got them done, and they look beautiful. We're just thrilled.